stuff, but usually you're not in the room or do it. So, yeah, hi, everybody. You want to say hi to posterity on YouTube? Yeah, that's good. Okay. So, what we've got going on here is a piece of paper. We're going to cut this into 4 equal pieces. To do so, we're going to fold it in half, hamburger style. I did. I make mistakes all the time. You all know that already. And then we're going to fold it in half again. And now, before you get started with your scissors and you say, oh my goodness, I've got to unfold this and cut along the inside of the folds. Yeah, that doesn't work, right? Those of you who are perfectionists, you hate that because you always get one little flap of the other piece on the other side. So here's my trick for all of you. We're going to shave the folds off. So I'm going to see where I've got a fold, right? So there, that side is folded. I'm just going to cut that part off. I just cut the fold off. Yeah. Your kindergarten teacher lied to you, right? Yeah. All right, now I'm going to cut my other fold off. I've got a fold on this side. I'm just going to keep my papers together. I'm going to turn it. You can shave it off, like cut a very thin strip if you're really careful. I cut big pieces. Now I've got 4 exactly equal pieces and not a fold to be seen. I cheated. So, because life is more fun in rainbow colors, once you've cut yours, we're done with the scissors. You can trade with anybody you want in the room to get 4 color pieces of your choice. Go. Bing! Magic rainbows, right? So, we're going to glue all 3 of these in your notebook. We're done with our scissors. How it's going to work is we're essentially going to create these layered tabs. So we'll be able to fold up. It should tell you how many Newton's laws do you think there are based on the number of papers? 3. This is AP Physics. You guys got it, right? So pick whichever one you want to start with. I'm going to fold down an anchor tab. So I'm folding it down. I hated liquid glue as a child because it made a mess everywhere, right? That's because nobody ever taught me how to use it correctly. I've folded this tab down because, watch this, I'm going to dot, dot, not a lot. Make a line, keep it fine. Just, nope, we're starting with the top. Just a dab of glue. So I've folded down the top edge and I put my glue here because what I can do is I can put this anywhere I want on the page, and when I'm ready, I just fold the tab up. I never touched the glue. The glue never got wiped anywhere. Wow. So easy. I would do it landscape orientation. Yep. So now you can see what I've made is I've made a tab that looks like this, where I folded it. It will fold up. Slow count of 5 makes it stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, mine's glued a little crooked. Oh, well. So I'm going to do the same thing with my other 2 tabs. I'm going to place them underneath, close but not touching. So for those of you who are like, wait, what did you do the first time? I'm going to take my paper. I've got it in landscape orientation. So that's portrait, right? For typing an essay. Here for making a, I don't know, what goes on a landscape piece of paper? A slideshow. Very good. Trees go on a landscape. Bob Ross, 5-paragraph essay. You can tell which one's more fun, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold down the top. I'm creating a tab, okay, a hinge right there. I'm going to put glue on top. Just a dab of glue. Make a line, keep it fine. Just dot, dot, not a lot. And I'm going to position this where I want, and I'm going to put it close but not touching my other tab. I'm going to leave a little bit of room right there, close but not touching. And I'm just going to press that tab up so the glue rotates over. Slow count of 5 makes it stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're really good at this, help your neighbor. If you don't know what you're doing, turn to your neighbor and say, help me. Lane, I think you're helping identify what's happening. Same thing with your third one. If you know what's going on, you can just rinse and repeat. Here. Dot, dot, not a lot. Close but not touching. Fold up the top.
I'm putting like one notebook length.
Makes sense. There you go. Okay, when you're all done, you should have 3 tabs like this. 3 tabs like this. And we've got 3 laws. The first law, the second law, and the third law. When you're done getting those in, we'll put the scissors and the glue away.